Hey guys, I'm back. I just wanted to go over your editorial column assignment that is due Monday, March 30th by the end of the day, by 3 o'clock or so. So the purpose, of course, is to understand the format, style, and tone of columns and editorials. You've been analyzing them, you've been investigating, now you're going to apply it. So your purpose is why? Because we're effectively writing an editorial column. So you're learning targets of use the characteristics of editorials and columns in your response, to write a story with a column or editorial format, style, and tone, and of course to edit somebody else's story for journalistic integrity, mechanics, and text structure. Remember that you still need to print what is true. You can have your opinion, but it needs to be based on facts, okay, or just your general observations. So as we remember about the differences between editorials and columns are written by one author, right? And of course, they are personalized. And that's what I'm really going to be looking for. If you're writing a column, it needs to be personalized. You need to bring in some history, some anecdote, some story, your feelings that are personal to you so that your voice really comes through. Of course, it can be humorous. It can be about any topic if it's a column. And they're not always balanced in providing both sides. You can be on just your side, but just make sure you're using facts. Okay. Editorials are a little bit more formal. They're written by many editors. Of course, you would be the one and only editor, but it's more like an argumentative essay that you would write for your English class, right? It's research. It's more formal. You're going to take a look at both sides because it is serious and formal. You're going to kind of present the problem, some news peg, and then go into what the other side says, why they're wrong, and then what you say, and maybe even a call to action. Okay, so you should show both sides and refute one. So this is 80 points. It's due at 3 o'clock on Monday, March 30th. It needs to be at least 300 words. Try not to go beyond 500 words. It gets to be a bit lengthy. Then I'm also grading your text structure. Remember, 5 space indents, 2 to 3 sentences at the most. Really, most of those paragraphs are going to be about 2 sentences, but make sure your tone really comes through. All right, we should hear your voice. Your headline needs to have a vivid verb. Remember, headlines are used to catch the reader's attention. They're usually clipped off. You usually don't have words like the and and there's no end punctuation. Okay, some of you get headlines and leads mixed up. The lead is the first sentence or two of your story. The headline just gets your attention. And then mechanics, make sure you peer edit. Okay, so that's where we're headed today. That's due Monday, March 30th at 3 o'clock. Check me out during Zoom at 10 a.m. or hit me up with an email if you have any questions. All right, peace out. Adios. Bye-bye. Ciao. Auf Wiedersehen.